you've got no idea what Prime Day is, it's the annual big shopping day that Amazon has. Typically, it's the second, I think it's like the second Tuesday of the month of July. Second Tuesday of the month of July. Although last year, in America, Super Bowl was on or something like that. I can't remember exactly what, but there's a big kind of footy thing on. And so they made it the third Tuesday of July. But typically it's the second Tuesday of July. So that's coming up, okay? So now is the time to get ready to start selling ready for Amazon Prime. So what do you need to do for that? Amazon says that they did about $5 billion in extra sales on Prime Day. I always do a Prime Day offer. For my products, I find it a really, really good way to do that. So what do you do? All right, so I have found that the best way to have your products for Prime Day sale is one of two ways. So there's two good ways and one terrible way. So the two good ways are a lightning deal. Lightning deals I found are really, really good. I have found great success by doing lightning deals. And that's a paid thing, so you've got to pay to do a lightning deal, but I found it to be very, very useful. Second thing I do is I set up Prime Day coupon codes that can only be used on Prime Day, and I found them to be extremely good as well. Now, there is a third thing you can do, which is Amazon's Deal of the Day. Amazon's Deal of the Day. That's another way of getting involved with Prime, and I have personally found that not at all good for Prime Day. It does work for outside of Prime, but within Prime, I have not been able to make it work personally with any of my products. I haven't had a good experience of that. Certainly not as good of experience as I've had with a lightning deal or with coupons. Okay, so that's the two ways to take advantage of it. Let's delve a little bit deeper. How do you actually prepare yourself for a Prime Day? Thing number one, you will make a lot of extra sales on Prime Day. So you want to make sure you've got your inventory requirements covered, all right? It's no good having Sweet FA inventory in stock. If you're going to run a deal, you should expect to make a lot of sales and therefore have some good amount of stock in. Now, because you're having stock in for Prime Day, you should also know that all the other Amazon sellers all around the world will also be ordering stock for Prime Day. So your supplier and the shipping is going to be a bit of a bottleneck. So order early. That's really, really great advice. Order early, all right? Don't leave it till the last minute when everybody else is going to be ordering. The shipping's a nightmare. Logistics is horrible. Your factory will be under the pump. It's not good. You're better off ordering much, much earlier, okay? The other thing that I think is really good, your lightning deal will take care of itself on Amazon. You don't really need to do anything for that. But your Amazon coupons, your Prime Day coupons, you want to run Facebook traffic to them, for instance. So you want to set up a deal on Facebook, not a deal, an advertisement on Facebook. Prime Day sale, one day only, get X amount off of these products, and then run that advertisement on Facebook using my normal Facebook marketing strategies that I've covered already. That's also very, very good to do, and that's always how I use coupons for Prime Day. Let's talk about discounts. So one of the most important things you can do for Prime Day is to know your numbers. So you've got to know how much money your product makes and how much, therefore, you can discount it by. Very, very important. What you don't want to find yourself in is a situation whereby you're actually losing money for every sale you make. You're actually losing money. You do not want to find yourself in that situation. Heaps of people, by the way, do find themselves in that situation because they haven't looked at their numbers. So don't do that. Know your numbers. There are, I think, 3 distinct strategies for Prime Day. So you can be doing a Prime Day sale to make money, so to make profit, in which case your amount of discount should be commensurate with the amount of sales you want to make versus the amount of profit you want to make. You can also do it to gain SEO rank, so to make your product rank by getting a sales boost, in which case you should discount a little bit more, maybe just break even, and use that as a way of getting your SEO ranking and to get yourself up there and to rise within by using sales velocity to get a better rank. So you can go for, or you can use it to liquidate your stock as well. If you've got stock that you just want to liquidate out of, do a Prime Day deal, just liquidate your stock and use it as a way to get out of a market that you believe is no longer working. So that's the 3 different ways I tend to use it. And that's the 2 strategies I use the most: coupons versus and also lightning deals. Now, final tip for your coupon. Most people do a coupon code like, let's just say like this: get 50% off. That is a normal kind of coupon code that most folks will be running, all right? Something like that, get 50% off. For Prime Day, do not do that. For Prime Day, what you want to do is you want to have your coupon set up for 1 day only, because that creates motivation for people to go and redeem their coupons. And instead of having a coupon like that, what you want to do is have a coupon what basically looks like a schmozzle, like NGHT 50 TYH, for instance. I don't know. You get the idea. But not something that looks like a get 50% off. Something that looks like a coupon, a weird kind of coupon code. Now, I don't know why that works, but it works really, really well to get people to redeem the coupon. So they got 24 hours to redeem it, and the coupon code doesn't make sense. Like that says get 50% off. That makes sense. But that says nothing at all. And for some reason, on Prime Day, that always outperforms those kind of coupons. Now, it could be just that everybody's used to that kind of coupon. Doing something different like that gets you some extra social proof. I don't know, could be anything, I guess. But for whatever reason, it works, and let's just go with the it works, so we'll do it thing. All right, Jenny. So, hope that makes sense. John and Lynn, when is Prime Day in Australia? Same. It's the 2nd Tuesday of July. That's when they have it in Australia too. So it's the same right around the world, by the way. Prime Day sale is the same right around the world. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.